Hi, Nick Collier here, and this is my shop. Come join me. We'll have some fun.
All right, well, Nick Collier here again. It's a Friday. It's a beautiful spring day out, a little more chilly today. And, whoops. And hay fever season. I get the sneezes here and there. We're going to continue with this drive shaft project, and here today we're on the mill, and let's get down close and see what we got. So what we need to do, and we're going to look at the small drive shaft, we're making a larger one, is we need to drill a hole here and drill a hole here, and those are two parallel holes. Then we need to rotate this 90 degrees and put a slot in here for the pivot of the U-joint on that end. So probably the easiest way that I can figure to get this thing to rotate 90 degrees is I'm going to run down the length of this shaft, because we're going to get rid of this shaft here. I'm going to run down the length of this shaft and create a flat. Then drill the two holes. Then, once I'm done, rotate it and put the flat up against the vise, which will create the 90 degrees. And then go ahead and, actually, I'm going to go in this side and do the slot. So, that's the general plan. Hang in there. We're going to have some fun today. I think we're going to go a little faster than that, though. That's better. All right, we'll slow it down. All right, that gives us a base to work from. We will, let's just take this a little further. All right. A little faster. There, it kicked. Let's do it again. And there it kicked. And we're at 0. And from there, we're going to go 591 divided in half. $295.5 plus 100 thousandths. $395.5. Three, 91, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. And that should put us dead center right on top. Oh, we need to get the center of this too, don't we? Well, I'm not sure, because the center is never quite where it's supposed to be. I'm not sure it matters. I'll tell you what, we're going to find center by just skimming over the top of this until it actually touches the top of the ball, and we'll know that is center. So let's get ourselves a really small bit like this. And we'll take this down a little bit more. And bring this down. Snug it up. Bring in some kind of center. And then just bring it up until it starts to touch. I think that touched right there. Let's have a look. All right, that's good. We can live with that. A little bigger than I wanted it to be, but I can find center in there. All right, we will get our cute little pointer tool out here and bring that into 0. And all we need to do is move sideways a little bit. I'm going to get my cheater glasses. Come in here and really nail that center. Just a little bit more. Right around there. All right. And we need to go find the drill bit that's going to work that hole there. I'll be right back. All right, well, the more I'm looking at it, the more I'm seeing that this hole is not center on the ball, but kicked back just a little bit. So I think what we're going to do is go ahead and take a measurement from the drill bit out to the top edge of this and see how close we are center-wise. So, how are we going to get that measurement is the question. I'm thinking we can just probably lay it in on top of the vise here. I mean, it doesn't have to be super accurate. And there's a flat right there, but it doesn't seem to be wanting to. There it is. Okay, so we're looking at I'm going to bring it out to the edge of the vise here. You probably can't see. So we're at about 160. From the edge. So let's go ahead and see what we can come up with. That's it right there. And put our little pointer in there. See how close we are. So we're going 160, right? Plus 100, so that's 260. 59, 60. Well, hell, that has it even further up. That's not right. All right, we're gonna fiddle around with this until we figure it out. All right, well, okay. So I think the most important measurement is not centered here or centered here, but it's what's happening between these two centers. So let's take that measurement and see what we come up with. All right, there it is. And we are looking at (10 inches, 200 thousandths on the money. Okay. Ten, 200 minus the thickness of each drill bit. Well, minus half of the thickness, of course. So we're at 255 here. So that's one. Okay, fine. 255 divided by 2 equals 127 minus 127, and half of this one is 193. Half of 127, 127, And then 193. 193 divided by 2 would be 96. Okay, 96 plus 127 equals 223.5. So clear that. We've got 10 inches, 0.200 minus 0.223. 9 inches, 977 thousandths. All right, so let's write that down because that's definitely going to be a solid number. 9 inches, 977. All right, we got that. So now come up with 9 inches, 977. 8, 9, 9, there's 75, there's 85, 95, 97. Oh, 977. It's more like 75. No, that's 10. There's 977 right there. Let's see what that looks like. That's going to be pretty good. So I think what we're going to do is just center this as best we can. It looks pretty good, and that's good. And I think that's where we're going to start. Now this is the large size, so we're going to take the large drill bit. Well, first we want to center it. Can you see that? Barely. All right, let's give that a try. I don't know, it scares me. Yeah, it looks good. Okay, so now we'll take our center drill out. And let's put a smaller drill bit in. That looks good. All right, I'm going to step drill this very carefully because this is a pretty accurate hole, and even though these are new drill bits, I just want to take my time, and we haven't really got any place to go, so I just cranked the wrong thing. Okay, keep that back there. All right, step 2. Good. And step 3. All right, let's give our pin a try and see if how it's gonna fit. Fits nice, little snug, but there's some burrs up there, so that's gonna fit perfect. All right, so now we're dead center there. Now we want to come over 997 thousandths. Or 9 inches, 970 thousandths, and whoops, we're hitting. All right, we're going to back up a little bit. Someplace right in there. $997. All right, and that's going to give us that point. Let's see what that looks like. Looks pretty good. Right about dead center. Now, because I didn't tram my surface in here, I'm going to remeasure this, and then when I go to the next one, I think I'll tram the vise in. I mean, it looks pretty tight, but you know, I don't want to miss. Okay. All right, so now we're going to bring this out. We're going to kick that. And let's take it down and bring it in. Where are we at? We're here. We want to, let's zero that out. We're going to go 100. And then we're going to go half of whatever that is. This is 505. So half of that would be 52.4. I can live with that. Center. Doesn't look totally centered for some reason. .505, 506. All right, it's centered. It just has me scared. And this is a smaller hole, so this will take just 2 drills. All right, now let's check that pin. Oh no, that pin goes the other way. So that pin is right here. That looks pretty good. Yep, nice fit. Okay, so I think what we want to do is just go ahead and drill all of them. Yeah, we'll do that, and then we can come back and we'll rotate this and get our halfway point and put the rotation into that. So next one. And we'll put you on hold because, you know, do you want to go through this again? I don't think so. We'll be back in a while.